It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to the glorious episode of It's Friday, fool, you need this tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, I bring you a tool that I use here in this shop or that I have featured on this channel. So I had a lot of you guys ask me about this tool, and that is my leather shop apron. So I know it seems kind of basic, but I actually bought this thing a while back, mainly for when I'm deburring parts that have come off the plasma table. A lot of times little stainless wires off my deburr will come and stick in my pants, or just the slag from the parts themselves are flying off and can hurt a little bit. And so I bought this apron just for that. What I found in the meantime was that I love this thing. Let me kind of show you what I'm talking about. So this apron features a cross brace in the back with some shoulder straps, and then it has one buckle strap that goes around your waist and snaps in. So let me explain to you why I think I fell in love with this apron. First and foremost, you always got a place for a Sharpie. And for me in the shop, sometimes I spend more time looking for a Sharpie than I need to be. And so this worked out great. Kind of a no-brainer. I mean, heck, you could do that with a flannel, right? And then I got my safety glasses right here in this pocket. Easy in and out. Half the time I'm hunting for safety glasses, or worse than that, I just don't wear them because I can't find them, which is not a good thing. All right, so now downstairs, you got one big pocket here. You've got two smaller separate pockets here. You've got a couple belt. I guess if you want to hang some hammers or something here, you can do that. So what I do is, this pocket's actually really big. It goes down behind these front pockets. So I'll throw, occasionally, if I'm working on, if I'm working on something, I got Cleco pliers, I throw them in there, and I can just kind of easy access, pull them out. All the time you're pulling Clecos off, putting them back on. It's nice to have your Cleco pliers, or I have found myself actually just sliding full-length screwdrivers and stuff in that big pocket. So I can slide it in there. If I'm pulling off Zeus fasteners or something, I'm pulling that off or sliding that in there. I've got easy access to it, I'm not losing it. And then that's where these pockets come in here. So, same story, I'm working on something, I'm doing a bunch of Clecos. I can put a bunch of Clecos in these pockets. Or, you see I got some Zeus fasteners in this one. So instead of losing it, I'm unscrewing Zeus fasteners, I'm just popping them in this pocket, right? Slide my screwdriver in this side, I go work the panel. This keeps my clothes decently clean. I get done, I got my Zeus fasteners and my screwdriver, I can pop them right back in. And it just makes, it's like having like a workbench on your person. Pulling your Sharpies out, got your safety glasses. Anyway, I know it seems pretty basic, but I actually really like this thing. Now there was a couple things I did modify on this. I actually made it a little bit shorter. I just looped up about, 8 inches of the bottom and re-sewed it. Mainly because I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. What I'll probably do though is I'll probably unstitch it and then just cut that bottom section off, because I do like it shorter. And then also there was 2 buckles. So there's a buckle on each of these pockets. I removed those buckles, mainly because I don't want to, scratch a car or something if I'm working around it. And then up here at the top, there was a flap that had a snap on it. Didn't need the flap, never used it. This is where I keep my safety glasses. They're in and out all the time, so I just cut that, I just unstitched that flap and did away with that. Had to add me a KillFab logo, and that's really it. other than this thing being dirty. All right, guys, there you go. This week's tool, the shop apron. As I always do, I will drop you some links in the description. You can go check it out for yourself. To me, this thing is worth the 30 bucks or whatever it cost. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys next week. It's Friday, fool.